Mr. Containers. We agreed with my Qatar counterpart, His Excellency Sheikh Khalid bin Khalifa bin Abdulaziz Al Thani, the Prime Minister and Minister of Interior of Qatar, that Kenya could provide security personnel to support the Supreme Committee on Delivery and Legacy of Qatar in the providing security services during the 2022 FIFA World Cup in Qatar. To the continuous growth of the traditional friendship between the people of Kenya and Qatar, to the further development of friendly and cooperative relations between Kenya and Qatar, and of course, to the good health of His Excellency President Uhuru Kenyatta, and to the good health of the guests present here, and His Highness the Emir. Cheers to the President.